Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. If you're looking for a touring machine but need the stability of 3 wheels on the ground, then this one-owner 2015 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 13,554 miles would be a great choice. It runs and rides well, passes New Hampshire State inspection, and comes equipped from the factory with a multi-function 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, CB intercom connections, a security system with a proximity key fob, and electric reverse. It's been upgraded with a Boom Audio Stage 2 speaker, low smoked windshield, LED taillights, and heated grips. Long as standard and full dressers, the Ultra Classic is powered by Harley's reliable and time-tested 103 cubic inch twin-cam motor paired with a 6-speed transmission that produces an even 100 foot-pounds of torque at 3,250 RPM. With plenty of storage, gracious accommodation, and an eye-catching black magic paint set, this clean trike is ready for the road. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.